So now this is part 5 of sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and today we are going to complete the chapter. So let's start with double fertilization. In double fertilization सबसे पहले क्या होता है, वन ऑफ द मेल गैमेट्स फ्यूज़ करता है एग सेल के साथ एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सिंगैमी. सिंगैमी के बाद जाइगोट बन जाता है जो कि तब डिप्लॉयड होता है. दूसरा वाला मेल गैमेट क्या होता है, दूसरा वाला मेल गैमेट जो है वो टू पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के साथ फ्यूज़ करता है जो लोकेटेड होता है सेंट्रल सेल में एंड इट फॉर्म्स व्हाट, ट्रिप्लॉइड. 3n प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस फॉर्म करता है एंड दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट, ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. सो triple fusion and syngamy both are known as, collectively known as double fertilization, and double fertilization is a very unique event which is present only in flowering plants, means angiosperms. The central cell after triple fusion becomes primary endosperm cell and develops into endosperm, and the zygote develops into embryo. Now in post-fertilization events, what are the post-fertilization events? Events of endosperm and embryo development, maturation of ovule into seeds and the ovary into fruit. These are collectively termed as post-fertilization events. So in post-fertilization events, the primary endosperm nucleus undergoes successive nuclear division, which is phreonuclear division, in which only the nucleus divides. There is no division of complete cell. There is no cell wall formation, and this is free nuclear division, and it forms what, the endosperm development. This stage of endosperm development is known as free nuclear endosperm. The number of free nuclei which is formed, it differs in different plants, and this free nuclear endosperm keeps on converting to the cellular endosperm. That's why it varies greatly in different ovules. One example is the coconut water, in which the tender coconut that you are familiar with is nothing but the free nuclear endosperm, which is made up of thousands of nuclei, and the surrounding white kernel is the cellular endosperm. जो पानी होता है वो क्या होता है, फ्री न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म, एंड जब फ्री न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म मीन्स मैच्योर होती सेलुलर एंडोस्पर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है तो वो वाइट कर्नल में बन जाता है. ये वाला पैराग्राफ को हम नेक्स्ट पेज में पढ़ेंगे. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एम्ब्रियो. एम्ब्रियो में क्या होता है, एम्ब्रियो डेवलप्स एट द माइक्रोपाइलर रीजन वेयर द जाइगोट इज सिचुएटेड. जाइगोट का डेवलपमेंट जो है, मीन्स एम्ब्रियो का जो डेवलपमेंट है उसको एम्ब्रियोजेनी बोलते हैं. And there are so many different plants like monocots and dicots, but the stages of embryogeny, monocots and dicots में mostly similar है. zygote से क्या बनता है हमारे पास, प्रो एम्ब्रियो, then globular embryo, then heart shaped embryo, and finally mature embryo. And this point is also important. Most zygotes divide only after certain amount of endosperm is formed, because this is an adaptation to provide assured nutrition to the developing embryo. This can come in assertion and reason type of question. Cylindrical portion which is below the level of the cotyledon is hypocotyle. सो हाइपोकर्टाइल का शेप याद रखना है, दैट इज सिलिंड्रिकल. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट कोलियोरेसा, radical and root cap is there. In monocots, they are enclosed in undifferentiated sheath, which is known as coleorhiza. That is undifferentiated. Epicotyle has a shoot apex and few leaf primordia enclosed in a hollow foliate structure, which is known as the coleoptile. Now, seeds के बारे में हमें पढ़ना है. During the एम्ब्रियो का जब डेवलपमेंट होता है तो क्या होता है, एंडोस्पर्म गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू कॉटिलिडन. Endosperm is used, right? So there are two types of seeds. One in which one is non-albuminous or X-albuminous. Non-albuminous is in dicot, mainly dicot, and X-albuminous means albuminous is in monocots. So both these, but there are some exceptions to these. Like non-albuminous seed is present in pea, bean, groundnut, and albuminous seeds are present in wheat, maize, barley, coconut and castor. So sometimes what happens is some seeds जैसे कि black pepper and beet, उसमें क्या होता है कि remnants of nucellus is also there, persistent demo. That is why it is known as what? Perisperm. This persistent nucellus is known as perisperm. So in this paragraph, what we need to remember here is जो इंटेग्यूमेंट्स होता है ओव्यूल का वो हार्ड हो जाता है, टफ प्रोटेक्टिव सीड कोट के जैसा बन जाता है. माइक्रोपाइल जो होता है वो रिमेन होता है, परसिस्टेंट होता है एज अ स्मॉल पोर इन द सीड कोट. और इसका फंक्शन क्या होता है, इट फैसिलिटेट द एंट्री ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर इनटू द सीड ड्यूरिंग जर्मिनेशन. So as the seed matures, its water content is reduced and seed becomes relatively dry. मतलब 10 से 15% का moisture by mass उसका घट जाता है. So the general metabolic activity of the embryo जो slow down हो जाता है धीरे धीरे, and this state is known as dormancy, जिसमें कि embryo inactive रहता है. जैसे ही favorable condition आता है like adequate moisture, oxygen and suitable temperature, embryo starts, they germinate, means seed germinates. So fruits के बारे में there are two types of fruits. One is fleshy, one is dry. So fleshy में guava, orange and mango, and dry में groundnut and mustard. In most of the plants क्या होता है ना कि by the time fruit develops from the ovary, other floral parts degenerate कर जाता है and fall हो जाता है, गिर जाता है. So there are some fruits like apple, strawberry and cashew, जिसमें not only ovary contributes to the fruit formation but also thalamus. So this kind of fruit is known as false fruit. And most of the fruits जो होता है ना सिर्फ ओवरी उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करता है फ्रूट की फॉर्मेशन में, एंड दैट फ्रूट इज नोन एज ट्रू फ्रूट. सम फ्रूट्स डेवलप विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता है एंड फ्रूट्स डेवलप. दैट काइंड ऑफ फ्रूट इज नोन एज पार्थेनोकार्पिक फ्रूट्स, एंड बनाना इज द एग्जाम्पल. Parthenocarpy can be induced through the applications of growth hormones, and such fruits are seedless. This is important.